भारत और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बीच हो रहे दूसरे टेस्ट मैच में स्टीव स्मिथ और विराट कोहली उस समय एक दूसरे से भिड़ गए जब स्टीव स्मिथ ने मैदान पर बेईमानी करने की कोशिश करी, जिसके बाद अंपायर ने भी उन्हें टोका। अब विराट कोहली ने मैच जीतने के बाद प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में इस पर खुलासा किया है। आइए जानते हैं क्या कहना है स्टीव स्मिथ की इस बेईमानी पर विराट कोहली का।
I saw that 2 times happening when I was batting out there. I pointed it out to the umpire as well, that it's happened twice that I've seen their players looking upstairs for confirmation, and that's why the umpire was at him. You know, when he turned back, the umpire knew exactly what's going on because we observed that. We told match referee also and the umpires that they've been doing that for the last 3 days, and this has to stop because there's a line that you don't cross on the cricket field. Sledging and, playing against the opponents is different, but I don't want to mention the word, but it falls in that bracket. So I would never do something like that on the cricket field.